searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must.
Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. You know, when we talk about age, we talk about a woman aging gracefully with a beautiful haircut that will really accentuate her face and her style. In this video today, you don't really need to feel confined to that single style because of your age. Here in Wendy Styles, we have proofs that you can still spice up your appearance over the age of 40. So with these beautiful styles that's coming your way, we have beautiful styles like the Pixies, the bob, the buzz cut, the tapered. And when it comes to short natural hairstyles, you can try some beautiful colors as well that will help you to embrace your grace and add that fun to your hair. Check out these beautiful styles. You can see how the style is just so popular, and it's a style for older women because it really is that ease and playful style. One thing I love about the style is that perfect way for you to really add those texture to your hair, and it will help you to look so youthful and young. Beautiful thing about this hairstyle today also is that it will take many years of your age, and it's a style for every woman. So if you really want to look so sexy, you want to look so beautiful, or you really want to add volume to your thinning hair and make your looks look so refreshed, you really need to watch these beautiful styles for black women that are classy. Another beautiful thing about the style you're seeing on the screen is it's also versatile. A good thing that you need to know about your hair is to know your hair type, to know your face shape, because women over 50 can actually rock beautiful short natural styles that are really flattering. I love this cut. You can see how great it looks on this beautiful woman's and you can see how the style really has that body and fullness to her look. Another beautiful thing about the style is that it will also help to give you that chic face framing and instantly refresh your haircut. Take a good look on those beautiful styles. See how it really complements this beautiful woman's face. That is how the style will really complement any face shape. So I would like you to please watch this video to the end, and if it's the first time here in Wendy Style, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so. We must merely make a start. Savannah. searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer